Welcome today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A13, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and here you can see that we can add, remove or change the position of all of these icons. So just to manage these icons here, to edit the top bar, click into this plus icon, and here you will see the new more icons that we can add to our top bar. For example, to add the NFC, hold for a while and drag it here to the position where you want to just set it. For example, we can add also the AOD feature, the screenshot icon, and then just by click here to done, you will see here the changes on our top bar. Just to remove some icons, by the same way, hold for a while and drag it here to this up section. And to change the positions, of course, by the same way, hold the icon and drag it by this way. So then just click to done to save all the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.